Hello traders, Gary Wagner with the Gold Forecast. It is Sunday, the 13th day of February, approximately 4 o'clock here in Honolulu, Hawaii, and this is the Daily Report. Gold in quiet trading is trading down currently about 50 cents to $1 lower, 50 cents to $1 higher. Very, very small range today, but we will have to see how it trades as it moves around the world, and especially into New York, before we'll get a real sense for what the market is going to do this week. Now, I do have an announcement. We are implementing the members portal this week. Some of you have already received your login name as well as a temporary password. By Monday or Tuesday, everybody will be in the database and issued their login and username. So between now and Wednesday, maybe Thursday, I will be putting up our daily video on both the old screencast with a password as well as the new login script. I will then weed that out very, very slowly to make sure everybody is able to log in, and then we will implement the new members portal. The one thing that you'll notice on the members portal is it will allow you to place comments, and so my hope is that there will be a working dialogue between all of the members and myself so that together we can create the best strategy for gold in the upcoming year. Well, now we can spend a little bit of time talking about the market. Of course, we did enter a trade roughly at 1348. It was based upon a couple of factors, but this one pattern here, which is a piercing line, was one of the strong indicators, along with the fact that that 1307 was a strategic Fibonacci number. We did initially look for the market to have different areas in which it would find resistance. The first area was 50%, and of course, that's 50% of this move down here. Then we had a 75. This is at 76, which is 1396. And the one that you see here, this 23%, that's a 23% of the overall move. So I felt that that might be significant. Well, it couldn't make it past that first 50%. As you can see, as the market moved up the very first day, it was able to go above that high, but it closed just at that high. On the following day, though, for the next 2 days, we received the very same candlestick, which is that doji. That doji is always going to be significant in that these are consolidating candles, and as consolidating candles can issue either a reversal or a strategic point in which the market kind of gathers steam and then moves back up. What I mean by that is that as this market moves up, as you can see right here, you will get these double dojis and then you go for another high. So I have seen it on the upside kind of be an indicator of a stalling market as opposed to a reversal. So you can only work with that type of candle if you see what we call a confirming candle. Now, the confirming candle, this long black candle right here, was absolutely that. It told me that we definitely had some resistance, and at least on a tentative basis, we really couldn't break through that. And you can see that clearly illustrated right here. Now, it, of course, is much too early to tell, so we don't know what this particular candle will turn into, but it is trading lower on the day. My sentiment is, my personal feeling right now, barring new fundamental news that comes in the market that can change anything we talk about on a dime, I expect this market to come down a little bit, and we talked on Friday as to the areas that I'm looking for, and we'll go over those more in detail on Monday. As I said, it's very, very quiet here, so there's not a lot to report. But traders, over today and tomorrow, all of you will receive new login information. And I suggest that you immediately go in, change that temporary password, and start getting used to the fact that that is going to be the portal that we use. I have been told by 98% of my viewers that it is about twice as fast in loading, so it's something that I'm really, really looking forward to. This has been Gary Wagner, wishing you, as always, good trading, and we'll talk to you tomorrow for another daily update. Bye-bye.